Arizona. Yeah, baby.
Our journey continues back in Arizona, out to a little favorite spot in the southern part of the state called Portal. We started out late in the evening, so we arrived now in the beginning of the day, and we're looking to find a waterfall to wash off and start the beginning of the weekend in this beautiful location. The John Hands waterfall does not run all year round, so you can really catch this in the spring or the beginning of the summer. Now, because we came and spent some time here at the water, Asher is going to give an offering of a crystal, showing respect and honoring this beautiful water out in this desert landscape.
Okay.
Spending the day hiking around up in these canyons, discovering new pools of water that you can soak in, swim, some deep, some real shallow, but this water being very clean and refreshing during these warm days in the summer or even in the early spring. Portal is truly an oasis out here near the Chiricahua National Forest.
The medicine is in the wilderness. It's out here. It's you. It's connecting you with here and remembering our deep connection to the wilderness.
After a great time connecting with the wilderness, getting a little rinse off after a night of camping, we head back into the canyon, and as we're driving around, we see that there's many different caves up in the hills. We are going to pick one of these caves and try to climb up in there to see if there's any ancient artifacts or maybe even a great view of the valley floor from up above. Making our way up the steep hill into this cave, you can start to smell the remnants of bat guano. Yes, there are bats that hang out here in the Portal area, and many other bird species also. This is a popular place for bird watchers and bird enthusiasts alike. After the hike, we go down the road to the Cave Creek Visitor Center. This is a great place to go check out maps, get information about local wildlife in the area, artifacts they've found, trails, what types of birds you might see, and other interesting facts. Now we are at the center of Portal. This is where you'll find the post office, the library, a restaurant, a little hotel, and even a general store. Here at the general store, you can pick up bread, egg, milk, soda, t-shirt, hat, or anything you might need because it is the only place to buy things in the area. This location is called the Arizona Sky Village. Each house has their own deep sky telescope connected to their house. This is part of the dark sky community in Arizona. One of the best places to see stars and see the solar system in the whole United States and maybe even the world.
All right, we're here at Essence of Tranquility at the hot springs, and we're gonna stay the night. This is a beautiful location with hot springs ranging from 102 to 104 degrees. Check it out.
Essence of Tranquility is located in Safford, Arizona, just north of Portal. This is a fun location that you can spend time meeting other people if you're alone, or bringing friends and family and hanging out in the many variety of tubs they have on site. Hot springs, cabin stay. Come on over here, check it out. All different types of temperatures. Beautiful hot springs, geothermic area. We're here in this valley by Safford near Mount Graham, the mountain. Good place to come and get reconnected. While you spend time here, you can definitely feel the essence of tranquility. Now we are going to head over to Cochise Mineral Hot Springs. This is another location just down the street from Tranquility, and also has indoor and an outdoor pond swimming area. We do have another video on my channel where we visit this hot springs also. So this is a location that we visit many times throughout the year. This natural spring-fed lake offers beautiful mud for exfoliant on the skin, and you can rub it all over and wash it off. Another healing virtue part of this wonderful location in southern Arizona. Because we are near Mount Graham, we can't pass up an opportunity to go up on the mountain. So before the sun goes down, we are going to start climbing up the high elevation hills and making our way to camp. Hopefully we'll try to get to Riggs Lake, the end of the road, before the sun goes down. Winding through the mountains on this dirt road, we slowly come up to see something in the middle of the road. But what is it? It's dragging something. It caught something. Dinner. Pulling it up the hill. We gotta get in to get a closer look. What does it look like? I think it's a bobcat. Or maybe even a lynx. Put a comment below what you think this cat is. And if you haven't already, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get notifications when we drop more amazing adventures just like this one. We made it to Riggs Lake before the sun goes down. Now time to set up camp. There are bear boxes here. Do put your food away because the bears come out at night.
We're out here in Mount Graham in Arizona, and we spent the night last night here at Soldier Creek Campground. It's a beautiful meadow area, and the stars last night were extraordinary. Cool mountain air, cries of the bald eagle, and the abundance of love.
Riggs Lake is one of those magical locations in Arizona, a solitude lake where you can get away for the weekend. If you are fishing, make sure you do pick up a fishing permit and enjoy our natural wilderness. Time to get the blood flowing and warm up for a little hike, or maybe even some rock climbing. We're gonna go to this place we found called Dragon's Head Rock for some beautiful views and a gorgeous lookout location.
What is it?
The dragon roaring. Mount Graham, Arizona. After spending an hour or so up on the rock, enjoying the view and catching some rays, we're going to head down the hill. Making our way down the road, we run into a forest ranger, and he tells us of a trail off Twilight Camp area that is called Bear Cave. So we're going to head that way and go see what we can discover. Once we start out on the trail, it is thick and dense oak forest, very overgrown, so we're kind of bushwhacking through, and we come up on a large boulder that has a water spring spewing out of the bottom. With all these hikes and outdoor experiences, this makes Mount Graham one of my favorite locations to visit. We're going to hop on over to Round Mountain and walk around over there to see what we can also discover. After hiking around for a couple hours, we head to the bottom of the mountain to Angle Apple Orchard. This is an old frontier orchard that is multi-generational and still grows natural apples right here in Arizona for over 100 years. So stop by and get your fresh apples before you leave town. And our last stop is going to be at Roper Lake. This is a natural lake in the Arizona State Park system. Some of the hot water from the geothermal does spill into this lake. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to watch some of our other videos. Tune in, and we hope to see you all on the trail.